Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete all duplicate photos on iPhone. So first of all, open up your browser and then scroll a little bit down. Here it says tap on the albums tab at the bottom of the screen, and then scroll down to the untitled section, and then tap duplicate, and this is where you can view all duplicate photos on your iPhone and delete them either individually or at once. Alright, if you wanted to see a quick demonstration on how it's done, right here, let's open up our browser, and here you're gonna be able to see like an album for duplicate photos basically, and you can choose individual photos, or you can choose them all. So basically just go ahead to your photos, and as you can see, you won't be able to find a duplicate version on my iPhone basically, but you're gonna be able to see if you have more than identical photos, you're gonna be able to see it in one section, and basically you're gonna be able to delete the photos individually, or both, like you can delete them both at the same time. That's right on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and we will definitely see you in the next one.